the new steel plant at PT Gunung. Characterized by high energy efficiency and outstanding steel quality. It is used predominantly for the production of structural steels, tube, and heavy plate grades that are further processed on the downstream plants supplied by the SMS Group. The ArcSys electric arc furnace. The secondary metallurgical station with ladle furnace. The gas cleaning system. The ancillary equipment and the X-Pact electrical and automation system up to and including level 2 were all supplied by the SMS Group. The ArcSys furnace is charged with scrap. HBI or liquid pig iron can also be used as charge material. Tapping weight 120 metric tons, with a tap-to-tap time of between 47 and a maximum of 51.5 minutes. Yearly capacity 1.2 million tons of steel. The ArcSys series has been optimized for high-efficiency use of electrical and chemical energy. The SIS technology developed and patented by the SMS Group is also employed at PT Gunung. SIS combines innovative burner and oxygen injection technology and helps PT Gunung to achieve high productivity with low production costs. The intelligent automation system with the metallurgical process models also contributes significantly to cost-effective plant operation and high product quality. PT Gunung benefits from all the equipment being supplied from a single source. The heat is tapped. This is followed by the secondary metallurgical process. In the ladle furnace, the steel is deoxidized, exactly alloyed, and set to the precise casting temperature. Here, the X-Pact electrical and automation system controls the melt temperature and the accurately pre-calculated amounts of alloying elements that later give the steel its desired material properties. After the ladle treatment, the steel is ideally prepared for the casting process on the new continuous slab caster, also supplied by the SMS Group. In addition to the high steel quality and energy-efficient production, environmental protection is also very important to PT Gunung. For this reason, the gases from the electric arc furnace are extracted via a primary and a secondary gas collection system. The primary gas collection takes place directly at the electric arc furnace. The gases are drawn off via the furnace roof, then pass through the water-cooled elbow and the post-combustion chamber, the water-cooled primary gas line, gas cooler and spark arrestor, to the bag filter house. The efficient integration of the secondary gas collection system allows diffuse emissions to be effectively prevented. The bag filter house is optimized to meet the demands of dedusting at a steel plant and enables the highest environmental standards to be satisfied. The system is operated by 3 variable speed fans with a minimum of electrical power and an optimized process-dependent exhausting capacity. Eco-friendly and energy-efficient steel production. Flexibly adaptable to changing market demands. For PT Gunung, the SMS Group has set up the perfect steel plant solution.